Okay, so this is our project for today. I'm gonna trim coat this piece here. See how this one is nice and black, this one is nice and black. But if you go to the other side it's not. That is really ugly. Let's try to Cerakote it, see how it comes out. This is what I'll be using. Cerakote, ceramic coating, trim coat. This is what I used on the other side. You guys saw how it worked. It looked really nice. Let's see how it looks on this one. Okay, so we start by removing this little cover here. Pop this off, remove some screws from here. Okay. A couple screws there, I believe it's one. Just one. Let's take that out. We have 3 nuts here. We pop these out. And the mirror should come right out. Man, I wish I had the Ralliart style mirrors, but for now we'll go with these, just to make it look better.
This is the 10 millimeters.
This is much better for the job. Get yourself one of these. Okay, so this was a pain to remove. The easiest way to remove it is grab yourself one of these. You stick it in here, all the way in there. You pry it open like that, and then you pull this part out. It'll come right out, and you will avoid all of this. All right, let's keep going. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we wanna Cerakote this part here, make it look nice. Try to match the other part, the other side. Let's see how it goes. Since this is already out, let's clean it. I mean, I know that's something you don't see, but I mean, why not clean it if it's already out in the open, right? Just make it look nice. And once you clean it, you have that peace of mind that at least in there, it's clean, and you'll be popping that piece back in nice and clean. All right, let's just wait for 30 minutes, pop it back in, see how it looks, see if it matches anywhere close to that. See you in 30 minutes. So this is what we're gonna use for this job. Ceramic Trim Coat Restoration Kit. Comes with a wipe inside so you can wipe it clean. So what we wanna do, we wanna swipe this way towards me evenly. Get this part down here, maybe get this part, I don't know yet. And we'll see how it comes out. So it says wait 30 minutes for it to be dry fully. We'll come back to it, see how it came out. I think it should be good. Here it is again. You guys saw the before, something like that. Let's see.